Good afternoon, children. We are going to do some work on trigonometric equations. You can see one question written already on your screen. Cot square theta minus 1 plus root 3 into cot theta plus root 3 is equal to 0. We have to solve this equation, and theta lies between 0 and pi by 2. That means theta's value has to be greater than 0 and less than pi by 2. So what I do is cot square theta minus cot theta, I open this, minus root 3 cot theta plus root 3 is equal to 0. We have opened the bracket on left hand side. We take common in the first two cot theta. We will be left with cot theta minus 1. And in the second, from the third and the fourth term, we take out minus root 3 common, and we are left with cot theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So cot theta minus root 3 is one factor, and cot theta minus 1 is another factor. Let's change them to the form tan theta because we know the formulas for sine, cos and tan. I can write it as 1 upon tan theta minus root 3, 1 upon tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. It will become 1 minus root 3 tan theta into 1 minus tan theta and 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 0. So 1 minus root 3 tan theta, if 1 minus root 3 tan theta is equal to 0, that will imply root 3 tan theta is equal to 1, or tan theta will be equal to 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 means tan 30 degree, 10 pi by 6. It is 10 pi by 6. So theta is pi by 6 here. Second case is 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1. You can see 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1. Sorry, 0. 1 minus tan theta is equal to 0. So tan theta will be equal to 1, or will be tan 45. Tan 45 means 10 pi by 4. 10 pi by 4. So theta will be pi by 4. Now these are the only two possible solutions between 0 and 90 possible solutions. Options are pi by 6 and pi by 4. These are the two solutions. So it was given in terms of cot, and cot was changed to tan. Cot was changed to tan because we don't know any formulas in terms of cot. So we changed it in tan because we know what is the trigonometric equation in terms of tan. Now next question is sin x plus cos x plus 30 is equal to 0, and x is greater than 0 and less than 360. X has to vary between, x can take values between this. Now one is sine, another is cos. I'll change one of them, sin x. I'll write it as sine 90 minus x plus 30, because sine 90 minus theta is cos theta and it is cos x plus 30. So sin c plus sin d, I can write this as sin x plus sin how much? 90 minus 30 is 60 minus x is equal to 0. Sin c plus sin d. It is 2 sine c plus d upon 2, 2 sine c plus d upon 2. So x plus 60 minus x upon 2 and cos c minus d upon 2, x minus 60 plus x upon 2 is equal to 0. So it is 2 sine x will cancel here, x will cancel here, so there is no question of x coming here. It will come sine 30 and cos x minus 30 will be equal to 0. 2x minus 60, 2x will be divided by 2 will give you x, and 60 divided by 2 will give you 30. Now 2 sine 30 is 1 upon 2, we know. Cos x minus 30 is equal to 0. This will cancel. So if cos is given equal to 0, cos x minus 30 is equal to 0 means that will imply x minus 30 will be, it will be an odd multiple of pi by 2, 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to set of integers. N belongs to set of integers. So x will be how much? X will be equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 minus how much? Minus plus pi by 6. Now if n is 0, x will be how much? Pi by 2 plus pi by 6. That is 6, 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 pi plus 1, 4 pi upon 6 will be how much? 2 pi upon 3. The first value will be 2 pi upon 3. That will be how much? Pi by 3 means 60, 120 degree. If n is equal to 1, then x will be equal to 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 6. 2 3s are 3 3s are 9 pi plus pi upon 6, 10 pi upon 6. 10 pi upon 6 will become how much? 300. So it is acceptable because it is less than 300 is less than 360. So this value 10 pi by 6 is acceptable. If n is equal to 2, I don't think the next value will be acceptable, because if n becomes equal to 2, so it will become 5 pi by 2 plus pi by 6. So 15 pi plus pi upon 6, 16 pi by 6. That will become 16 into 480, which is not acceptable. Not acceptable. This is not acceptable. This value is not acceptable. This is acceptable. This is acceptable. But that value is not acceptable. Why? Because it is greater than 360. And he had said the x values can come only in between greater than 0 and less than 360. So the values which are possible are possible solutions are 2 pi by 3 and 10 pi by 6. 120 and 300. You can write them also in degrees. Now let us see the next question. Cos 6 theta plus cos 2 4 theta plus cos 2 theta plus 1 is equal to 0, and theta has to lie between 0 and less than 180 degree. It has to lie between this and this. So what are we going to do? Cos 2 theta plus 1. 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay. Cos 6 theta plus cos 4 theta plus 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So this will cancel. 6 theta, cos 6 theta plus cos 4 theta. Let us apply cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D will be, both will come cos. 2 cos C plus D by 2. 6 theta plus 4 theta by 2. Similarly, cos 6 theta minus 4 theta by 2 plus 2 cos square theta is equal to 0. Now it will come out to be 2 cos 6 plus 4, 10 upon 5, 2 is 5 theta, cos 5 theta. This will come out to be 6 minus 4 is 2 theta divided by 2 will be theta cos theta plus 2 cos square theta is equal to 0. 2 cos theta is common in both. It will be remaining cos 5 theta plus cos theta is equal to 0. Again we will apply cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D, and we will obtain multiples. 2 cos theta, it will become cos 2 cos 5 theta plus theta upon 2 and cos 5 theta minus theta upon 2 is equal to 0. This will become 4, 2 will come outside, 4 cos theta, it will become cos 3 theta, and it will become cos 2 theta is equal to 0. Cos 2 theta is equal to 0. So because they are multiples, one of them have to be 0. Number 1, if cos theta is 0, then theta will be how much? Theta will be again 2n pi, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 pi by 2, odd multiples of pi by 2. Now if n is 0, it will be how much? Pi by 2. Theta will be pi by 2. Naturally cos 90 is 0. If n is 1, 2 plus 3 pi by 2. Theta is 3 pi by 2. That will be how much? 3 into 90, 270. But since we are talking of less than 180, so it is not acceptable. Not acceptable. Not acceptable. Now if cos 3 theta, or let's say cos 2 theta is equal to 0, then again 2 theta will be 2n plus 1 pi by 2, or theta will be 2n plus 1 pi by 4. We divide both sides by 2. Now again if n is 0, theta will be how much? Pi by 4. That is 45, that is acceptable. If n is 1, then it will be 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means 3 into 45, again 135 is acceptable. 135 is acceptable. If n is 2, then what will happen? Theta will become 5 pi by 4. So 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20, 225 degree, which is not acceptable. Because it has to be less than that. And 3 is cos 3 theta is equal to 0. That means cos 3 theta is equal to 0 means 3 theta will be 2n plus 1 pi by 2, or theta will be 2n plus 1 pi by 6. it is equal to pi by 6. If n is 0, theta is pi by 6, which is acceptable. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. And if n is 1, if n is 1, what will we get? Theta will be 213 into pi by 6. So pi by 2, 90, acceptable. If n is 2, theta will be 5 pi by 6. 5 into 30, 150, acceptable. After this, it will be 7 pi by 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 7 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6, 7 3s are 20, 210. That will not be acceptable. So possible values. Possible values are what? The pi by 6 is 30 degree. This is 45. And this is 90. So we can say 30 is acceptable, 30 is acceptable, 45 is acceptable, 90 is acceptable, 30, 45, 90, okay, then 150, 135, and then 150 degree. All these values are possible. You can write them in radians also. It doesn't matter. You can write them in radians or you can write them in degrees. I have written. It's all right. But it depends if your answers, multiple choice questions are given, what kind of answers are given, that you will have to see. Let's do one more question. Sine 7 theta plus sine 7 theta plus sine 4 theta plus sine theta is equal to 0, and theta has to be between 0 and pi by 2. So sine 7 theta plus sine theta, let us combine. And why do we combine that? I'll tell you just now. Because 7 theta plus theta will become 8 theta. 8 theta divided by 2 will give you sine 4 theta, which can be taken out at common. It will become simpler for us to explain. Now 2 sine 7 theta plus theta upon 2. This will become cos 7 theta minus theta upon 2 plus sine 4 theta is equal to 0. Now it will become 2 sine 4 theta, 7 theta plus theta, 8 theta upon 2, and cos 3 theta, 6 theta upon 2, plus sine 4 theta is equal to 0. Now let's take sine 4 theta common. Let's take sine 4 theta common. 2 cos 3 theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now let us find out because sine 4 theta is equal to 0. First is sine 4 theta is equal to 0. Sine 4 theta is equal to 0 means sine 4 theta is equal to sine n pi. Solution is, when sine theta is equal to 0, solution is n pi. 4 theta is equal to n pi, or theta is equal to n pi upon 4. Now let us give different values. If n is 0, theta is 0, which is not acceptable because it is greater than 0. Not acceptable. N is 1, then it is pi by 4. 45 is acceptable. theta is equal to pi by 4. If n is 2, then theta will be pi by 2, which is 90, not acceptable. 90 not acceptable because it has to be less than 90. So only 45 degree is acceptable here. 40. Now let us see the second part. 2 cos 3 theta is equal to minus 1, or cos 3 theta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. 3 theta is minus 1 upon 2. Cos will be cos theta 1 upon 2 means it is 60. So it is 60 here, and it will be negative on this side, 60. So pi minus pi by 3. 3 theta will be actually pi minus pi by 3, that is 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. So what will I write? 3 theta is equal to 2 pi by 3, or theta will be 2 pi by 9. And let us get the values. Let's get the value corresponding to this. It will be how much? 2 pi by 9. It's okay. 2 pi by 9 means 2 into pi by 9 is 40 degree. It is acceptable. And it will be negative here also. 3 theta can be also pi plus pi by 3. Because in second and third quadrant it is negative. So 3 theta is this. Because we are wanting a specific value, we could have written 2n plus 1 plus minus 2 pi by 3 also. Now it will become what? 3 pi 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3. Theta will be 4 pi by 9. 4 into 20. 80. So this is acceptable. Values, possible solutions. Possible solutions will be pi by 4, 2 pi by 9, and 4 pi by 9. These are the values acceptable to us. Thank you.